Redkey W12 Wireless Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner Multi-Surface Smart Cordless Mop. Redkey W12 features 1. Wet and dry waste cleaned altogether. 2. Quick mopping and pad self-cleaning. 3. No water remains after cleaning. 4. 3.8 kilograms. Weight cordless and lightweight. 5. 50-minute long time operation cleaning area 250 to 300 new technology. Bid farewell to the dirty cleaning mode. Easily vacuum, mop, and clean the floor. Bid farewell to old tools such as mops and brooms, clean in one step. A tractor serves several purposes, turning traditionally complex processes into quick and easy cleaning. 3-in-1 mop and self-cleaning. To keep the house clean efficiently and easily, Redkey W12 can vacuum and mop wet and dry waste at the same time. Double water tanks. Redkey W12 separates the clean water tank from the waste one. The mopping the pad is constantly cleaned as you vacuum to ensure a clean floor. No water remains after cleaning. The dry and wet floor washing machines on the market have the problem of water leakage. Redkey W12 solves this problem. Cleaning wet and dry waste spaghetti, large size pet food, coffee spill, jam, cream, and other common daily waste can be cleaned altogether.